this is a sequences question, so why don't you pause the video, have a go at it, and then we'll have a look at how we can use the calculator. So there is a whole recursion sequences function on the calculator which we can use. So if you look from the menu, it's 8. And we can use this to find lots of helpful things. Now for the first bit, if you want to set this to be a different type, because sometimes there will be, if you press type, so we can see we can choose it to be of the form an equals a of n plus b, or an plus 1, or an plus 2. Now ours is a un plus 1, so we want that one. And then we input our function like we would, say, on the graphing bit. So if we move to the right, and see, it gives us all these options. So looking at our original function, we want the first bit to be a of n, and then plus 7, cos, open our bracket, and then we want n pi over 2, close the bracket, minus 5, minus 1 to the power of n. So we put in our function. If you press table, it then just gives us all the values. So that's quite helpful. Now, if we want to find the sum, which we frequently will, if you press Shift Setup, then it gives us some of the options for this. Now, if you go down to Sigma for sum, display, and press on, and then back to table, then it just displays the sum as you go along. So we can see that U2 we're showing is 40, we can see it's 40. We want to find U3 and U4, which is 28 and 33. And then we can see that U5 should be 35. And then to get the sum of the first 25 terms, it's 851. Now again, obviously we can't just put it in our calculator. We need to show some working, but we can use this to check that what we've done is correct.